Tmux, how can I link a window as split window? How can I grab a window from totally different Tmux session and attach it as a horizontal/vertical split to current window?
Sounds like you are looking for join pane. Technically, for the second part of your question, you want to join a pane to the current window, not the full window from the other session, since that could include multiple panes. Here's an example. Let's say you're in session 0, window 4, and in session 2 that you want window 3's pane 1. In the Tmux prompt, Ctrl+B column, by default. This will move pane 1 from window 3, session 2, S is the source window, and takes the format session window.pane, to your current session, session 0. Below are the full docs for join pane, which you can get from the Tmux man page. The most confusing part for me reading the docs was figuring out the format that was expected for src pane, specifying session, window and pane numbers, session column window.pane, per the example above. You can also name your sessions and windows and use those names instead of the index numbers.
If you are trying to join panes from within the same session, you will instinctively want to omit the session from the command. This will fail. It seems that the S and T switches to join pane accept the argument in the form of session, window, pane, instead of session, window, pane. That is to say, the session is optional and the is mandatory. This is goofy. It would be the equivalent of browsers requiring this URL as the shortcut version of this URL and giving an error to this URL O_O. Since Ctrl+B breaks the current pane into a separate window, which is the opposite of what we want to do, and Ctrl+B at, which is right beside, is unbound by default, meaning you are not overwriting anything, I suggest creating this shortcut.
If you want to support the channel,